Hello, okay, so we're going to talk about gem waters and making gem waters and how to do them safely. So with the gem waters, you have to be careful with crystals you're using. They have to be really high quality crystals and they cannot have any matrix on them. Now a matrix we call is something on the back of it, something like this, where you've got a apophyllite which is looking absolutely stunning, but it's obviously been dug out from somewhere, so it's got this other bit in it. Crystals with inclusions, so any crystal that's got anything else with it, is also sort of not ideal for making gem waters. If you've got tiger's eye is very poisonous, so you wouldn't want to use that. We would have to use like the test tube method for that. So when you can make, just put some crystals in your drinking water like this. You can have, there's amethyst in there, there's quartz in there, and there's rose quartz in there. All lovely, high quality crystals. I sterilise them first the old fashioned way with a little bit of boiling water, or I actually have a baby steriliser from the days when I had grandchildren here sterilising bottles. So anything like a lovely rose quartz, like this, you can put in some lovely amethyst. Lovely, beautiful, clear amethyst, it's like a violet, this one. So you could put that in a drinking water, and you can put that in a drinking water. So I'm going to open my jar and to put some in a jar. So this is something we're going to have. So we would do it sort of overnight to make an elixir. So to make an elixir, you put the crystals in that you know are safe. You then add some water, which is mineral water or filtered water, and then you leave that like that in the moonlight overnight outside. In the morning you want to filter this down and into bottles. So you have your mother tincture, so this is your mother one. This is the one that's going to be there for you to then take little bits out of it to put in to make a prescription for your clients. So for in here you would then, so this has been resting overnight. I've got some funnels over there. Could you pass me a funnel, please? Hanging up on the wall, on the thing, because otherwise I'm going to make a mess. Thank you. So I've got these lovely little funnels. So we're going to pretend that this has been in the moonlight overnight, and we're going to then pour it in and make a mother tincture. Now this is a really lovely one. This is with the amethyst and the rose quartz. You're looking at a love and a kind of a protection kind of thing. So this is where this one's coming from. So obviously you would sterilise everything before you do it. But this I'm just doing you for as an example. So I'm going to take off a little funnel, if I can. Yes, I can. Put it in my bottle, and I'm going to fill it up, probably about halfway, maybe a bit more, maybe to about there. And then to preserve it, we use the good old brandy. You can use vodka if you want, or I tend to use brandy. So if you see me with a bottle of brandy down here, it's not because I'm having a little tipple in the afternoon, it's because I'm making gem waters. So we're going to then just fill that up, like so. Put that in there, so it's not make too much of a mess. You put your lid back on your bottle. All your bottles have been sterilised as well. Everything's sterilised. Your crystals are sterilised. And everything. Then you want to tap it. You want to make sure you put some energy in it. So you tap it. You will actually feel this vibrating once you've finished. Tap it, roll it, reiki it, and then you have your gem water, your mother gem water. So from this, if you were making a prescription for your client, you would douse what she needs. You would douse to see what crystals she would need, and then you would fill this bottle up with water. Oh no, I've got to, honestly. So you put a little bit of water in there. Tiny bit of brandy. Then you put a few drops of this in, probably about 5 or 6 drops. Can you see that on camera? Like that, 5 drops. You put the lid back on. Again, you shake it. And there's your gem water for your client, doused.